In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add zombie waves in Roblox Studio. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, get a zombie model from the toolbox at the left side of the screen. I recommend using this drooling zombie as it's very easy to use and it looks very good. I already have one spawned, but all you have to do is spawn him in and drag him to the server storage at the Explorer tab. Make sure you rename him to Zombie. Now, create a module script in Server Script Service, and within the module script, which I've named Server, you have to type this script over here I'm showing you. Make sure you copy everything exactly the same and paste it in the module script inside of our Server Script Service. Now, go to Stardew GUI. Make a screen GUI and a text label. Place this text label anywhere you want on the screen. This is going to indicate us the time until the next wave. After you place it somewhere, create a script, a normal script inside the text label, and now this is what you have to type inside of that script. Copy everything exactly the same, and as long as you set up everything in the right order, when you play your game, this label should display the amount of time remaining until the next wave of zombies spawn, and you can visually see them spawn in. I hope I was able to help you on how to add zombie waves in Roblox Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.